We're going to go ahead and start. Looks like a bunch of you are paying Blythe for t-shirts, and on Monday we did receive funding for half of the t-shirt cost, so the cost of the t-shirts is $5 that can be paid to Blythe. Please pay for that by next week. We're hoping to get those ordered next week.
If you're not a dues paying member, how much does that cost?
Dues plus $5, so $15. Amber, you should be a dues paid member because you're an officer too. So, which brings up, please pay for dues if you haven't already. It would be a great help to the club. So, coming up tonight is one of our star parties. I have a list of people who signed up last week for the star party at Pima Hall. The weather looks okay for tonight as of right now. So we're going to plan on meeting at 7 p.m. in the parking lot behind Steward. I'm going to pass around this list again. If you're still available, great. If you have to cross your name off, go ahead. But I'm just going to pass that around. Also, there's a star party tomorrow out in Oracle, and it's at an elementary school for their open house. And the weather looks like it's improving for tomorrow, so we're definitely going to do that and plan on meeting if you sign up for that, or if you want to go to that. That's also on this sign up list. Please meet in the parking lot here at 4:30. It's going to take us a little like 15 minutes to pack up, and then it takes about an hour to drive out there. And so we'll plan on getting back here probably 9:30 if you want to go to that. Also, we have rescheduled the Yuma Hall Star Party with Chris sitting there in the back, and that will be Tuesday, October 19th from 7 to 9:30 in front of Flandreau. We'll probably set up at about 6:30, bring some telescopes, and we'll have a few people taking some students on tours of things around Flandreau, and we'll have the Flandreau telescope open. So I'll probably have a sign up for that next week. So next Friday is Biosphere 2 Outreach, our first session. We will be meeting here at 8 a.m. The event runs from 10 to 2 p.m. and we're promised a free tour of Biosphere if you haven't already gone. And we'll be running all sorts of science demonstrations. And I have a sign-up list, and again, a bunch of you signed up. But if you have not signed up, or if you cannot make it to that, please cross your name off so that we know who all is going. Hopefully we'll be making liquid nitrogen ice cream for people for the first couple hours, so it'll be an awesome time. So project meetings are still going on. The binocular telescope project is today, an hour after now, in the Astronomy Club office. We're going to try to make one more star model, but nobody has really been showing up to the meetings, but we need to get this done by next weekend. So Blythe and I tomorrow are going to go buy all the parts, and we're going to plan on meeting Saturday at 12 p.m. in the Astronomy Club office, and then again on Tuesday at 2 p.m. to finish up. These really don't take too long to finish. It just takes a little while to paint everything and then get all the fishing wire net set up. So please come by and help. If there are enough people, we might be able to sponsor some food like we did for our office cleaning party on Saturday. Also, tomorrow, if you are not going to the star party in Oracle, the Extrasolar Planet project will still be going on at 5 p.m. in the Steward Computer Lab. So, last week I passed around a sign-up sheet for questions of the week. Not too many people signed up, but on the membership forms, about 30 of the 37 people who signed up said that they want to continue the question of the week sessions. But if there's not enough interest, then it's probably not worth the time to do them. Or if the times that are listed on here are just terrible times for you, let me know if you're still interested. I'm going to pass this around once more again. if these times don't work, please just put your name down and say what days and times work best for you. So I'm going to pass that around, and we'll try to figure out the best time that we can get the most amount of people to these questions of the week. And they're really fun, critical thinking skills that you learn at these sessions, and it's very enjoyable. Don McCarthy is a wonderful teacher, and I kind of wish I had had a session like that before I got into my hardcore astronomy classes. So I've talked about our new office a little bit. I want to extend a very special thanks to all of the folks listed up there who helped out on Saturday for many hours cleaning up the new office and rearranging the old office. We actually found an old computer in the new office, which if anybody has an old Mac power supply, we're going to see if that actually works and see if we can get to use it for the club. But after the office cleaning party, I posted office hours and events to the club calendar, which is now online, and it will be hanging outside of the office door. So if you want to come to events or come to somebody's office hours, all those hours are posted on our website on the calendar. And please come visit the new office. We have 2 offices to work on projects, to hang out, to do homework, and they're wonderful. We also got in a new wireless router, so we actually have a good wireless signal in that room now. So please come to the new office. It's pretty cool, and it's very quiet, so if you just need somewhere to study that's very quiet, definitely come to the new office. And so that's all I had for this meeting. Make sure you pay Blythe for dues and for a t-shirt. I'll try to get pricing for sweatshirts next week. I'm going to pass around this list again for t-shirts. If your name is not on there, or if you decided you want an additional item, please put your name down. And I think everyone in here has filled out a membership form. And this little logo thing, I was actually doing some web history searching on archive.org, and I found an old astronomy club logo from 1997, and it's basically a globular cluster. I can't really see it very well in the light, but it's like 16-bit graphics, like mountains, and then like really crappy standard Word 3D text. So I just thought that was really cool, and I found a couple more, so those will be in next week's presentation. So with that, I'm going to hand it over to Amber, who has a presentation about lasers. And lasers are cool. Everyone should invest in one.